Hi. You can probably hear our music we're listening to. My favorite song by me. Now, let's move on. Each of us will be making fart noises. Woohoo! Here's mine. Miss Monkey, would you like to go? Oh yeah, I'd like to go. That's mine. Mr. Lion? Sure, why not? Oh, of course I'd like to go. How about you, baby? Sure, why not? Sad Bear, would you like to do one? Oh, sure. Abe Leakin? Whatever your name is? Back to you, Miss Piggy. Hi, back to me. Now we'll be making burp noises. Enough. Now, I'm the director. Since my song's almost over, we're just going to do this till the song ends. And what noise should we make next? Excuse me, Miss Piggy. Who said that? Of course, me. Enough. Now, Mr. Lion, me, Ariana Grande the Pig, I think I have one less problem without you. I'm just kidding. I like you. You're my friend. I'm Big Sean in the video. But I have a secret right before the song ends. Me and Miss Monkey are dating.